Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching us from. Yes, how are we all doing? How was our night? Mine was wonderful. I believe yours was great. Yeah, as you all know, we are in our 1 month beautiful, amazing breakfast challenge. But before I proceed, I would like to introduce myself to you all. My name is Mary Max. I live in Spain, Barcelona to be precise, and I'm a wife, a mother of 4 kids. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not here alone. I am here with my amazing business partners. You know, we came out here this beautiful morning to show you how we take care of ourselves. Yeah, and we are going to be showing you how we are going to be preparing it individually. So my beautiful ladies in the house, I want you all to show our viewers this morning how you are going to be taking your breakfast this morning. I would like to see how you are taking it. This is it. Yeah, and now I would also like you all to show our viewers how you prepare it individually. This is my daily BioBasic. I will be putting my water into my water bottle. And then I will add just a scoop of it into my water. I'll cover it, you know. I'll give it a beautiful shake. Ladies in the house, I want you to show our viewers out there how yummy our supplement is. This supplement is so amazing, it's so yummy. We have it in different varieties. You know, this Daily BioBasic is one of our anchor products, which contains 35 fruits and 35 vegetables alongside with minerals. So this Daily BioBasic will give you all the nutrients you have in a day. So you can take it and let our viewers see how yummy we are taking it. The supplement is so beautiful, it's so amazing. Trust me, guys, if you are not taking this supplement, you are missing something in your life. You are missing something in your head. You know, you have no reason of not taking this supplement. It's so amazing. As you can see, we are all looking glowing. We are looking fresh every day. I'm so happy to be in this amazing team. You know, this I will take it. I always take mine with water. As we all know, water is life. Without water, we go nowhere. So I would like to say thank you so much for watching us. Thank you for viewing us. If you're out there still thinking of how to take care of your health or on how to live a healthy lifestyle, I believe this is the wonderful place for you to be. So I would like to say once again, thank you for coming and bye for now. God bless you all.